Hi everyone, I'm sure all of you are getting ready for the season, right? Either you celebrate season or anytime we can have these type of preparation. Food can be served anytime, any day, there is no fuss about it. But you can see generally we put the Christmas tree just after the 31st of October, 31st Halloween's day. After the Halloween's day, the next day itself they start decorating the Christmas tree and the decoration and all that. So we are getting ready for the Christmas. But do not think about all this. But though we do all this as we want, but it's not necessary. But we are still enjoying. So we will see what I am going to do today. I am going to do savory muffins with the difference. So we will see how it's going to be like. First thing I am going to do the muffins, how to mix it. We are going to prepare this. Savory muffins I said. So this savory muffins to do, I have taken the flour. You might be wondering how I have taken this flour, like 125 grams flour, right? Either you measure it 125 or this cups exactly 125 grams. So you can measure with that and take. I have already taken the flour because I have already done, so I am doing only half the quantity for you. So about 65 grams only I have taken now. So please remember that. Baking powder. Normally 1 teaspoon I have to put. Here I am putting half a teaspoon of baking powder. Salt I have to put for this. Okay. Then see what and what I am going to mix it. Onions finely chopped. Finely chopped onions. Bacon if you like. Those who like bacon, you can use the bacon. 1 strip of bacon I have taken. Parsley I have taken. If you don't like bacon, you can use sausage or you can use mincemeat, chicken, anything that you want. All should be minced. Minced ingredients only you take. Nicely mix all this together. I will mix all this together nicely and I will put a little bit of, we use this baby corn which I am using here. That also I will use and mix it nicely. Keep this aside. Keep this aside. Before I keep this aside, I want to use a little more small things, naughty things. Pepper. I will put a little pepper. And if I like only, I will use chili pieces a little. Now we will see, but we are going to keep it aside. For this quantity, for this 65 grams of flour, I need 2 eggs, yolks and the white together. Yolks and the white together. Then I put butter. How much butter are we going to use? About a tablespoon. Sugar. We need only a dessert spoon of sugar. Beat this nicely. After beating this, we don't have to beat so much because butter and the eggs are mixed enough. So now we will see what we are going to do. We will add half a cup of boiled mashed potatoes. Then we need about 50 grams of pumpkin, boiled and mashed. No skin, without the skin. Okay, that also I have put. Mix it again. Right. It's not like cake beating, just to blend it. This mixture that I have already done. Flour, bacon, onions, parsley, baking powder, salt we have used. All that we will mix it together. Now I need another thing here, a little milk. Say about a dessert spoon of milk. Just a little. Put and see, will you? If it is necessary, we'll add. Just to mix it only, I added all this and did it. Now see what I am going to use is cheese. Cheese I am putting so that it will be tasty. Cheese also we add into this. So nice, so delicious. My savoury muffins, the best of what I can do. I want a little more pepper. And if you want a little chili pieces and a little chili powder, if you like, not otherwise. Now all mixed and it's ready. I have the muffin pan. I have taken this muffin pan, put oil paper. Don't put the paper cases or anything, only muffin pans we have taken with oil paper. Put the mixture, 2 spoons. I always think it has to be something different, something nice, something tasty. Okay. When you do the cupcakes also, we do it on this, but put in the paper cases. Here without the cases I have done, and I hope you will enjoy what I have done here now. This I kept it now for you all to few. It's going to be baked for 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit for roughly about 20 to 22 minutes. If the oven is heated, then 20-22 minutes it will get baked. So we will see how it get baked soon. Savoury muffins are ready. You can see how it looks, and of course I put a little parsley on top also. I didn't put for at that time. Now I have already put and made also. Now see what I am going to do here. I said savoury, so we can cut this a little and we can have it with a little bit of tomato and a piece of parsley to serve with. It's lovely. Right. This is muffins. Tea time you can serve. What about only tea time? No, any time we can serve this. So please try it out and see how it comes. My muffin is ready. I am going to have the muffins with the salad leaf one and parsley, tomatoes, all that together. You know, there are so many things inside. We have potatoes, pumpkin and baby corn, cheese. Oh, lovely. All these things are there, and it's so nice to have it anytime you want. Even if children go to school and come back, if you can give this type of preparation, if they don't want to have rice, you know what to give them? Here, the muffins. You can give them muffins. It's nice and tasty. With the salad, you can have the muffins also. So try out and see how it comes, because these are something very nice for all of us. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon and have all my recipes. You will enjoy. Not only that, Tell your friends also. Please do. And then we will see you soon with another episode. Till then, bye from me now.